So let us start. Features of perfect competition. So कल हमने पढ़ा वो परफेक्ट मार्केट एंड इम्परफेक्ट मार्केट, उसमें हमने पढ़ा है perfect market is that market in which the same price prevails for the same commodity at the same time.
Yes, sir.
Homogeneous commodities are bought and sold.
Yes, sir.
Commodities with large number of substitutes.
Substitutes. Yes, sir.
Why same price prevails? Because number of buyers and sellers is quite large, and
Yes,
they have perfect knowledge about market conditions. They are fully aware about market. So what are some features of this perfect competition? What are the things, what are the factors, what are the features which makes a market competitive, or which ensures perfect competition in a market? What are those features? The main features of this perfect market are, first feature is large number of
buyers and sellers.
Large number of buyers and sellers. तो इसके आगे आप you can underline this feature, very simple feature. ऐसे भी आता है list the features of perfect competition, तो फिर explain करने की जरूरत नहीं है, because the point is already explanatory. ये खुद अपने आप को explain करता है. That is, in this market, in perfect competition or in the perfect market, the number of buyers and sellers is quite large. A single buyer or a single seller cannot affect or change the market price of the commodity, because a firm is a price taker but not price maker. So in this market, there are large, uncountable, limited, less, I can say large, quite large, infinite number of buyers and
sellers.
Buyers and, so in this market, the number of buyers and sellers is quite large. A single buyer or a single seller cannot change or affect or determine the market price. This is the first main feature. Second feature is there is free entry and exit of firms.
Yes.
Free entry and exit of firms. In this market, the firms can freely enter the market or they can leave the market. That is why this market becomes perfect, because there is perfect mobility or free entry and exit of firms. Firms can enter the market or firms can leave the market without any restriction. That makes the market
perfect,
competitive, perfect. That makes the market perfect, competitive, and same price prevails. If there is any increase in price, the firms outside the market, they enter very quickly in the market. जो बाहर फर्म्स होती हैं वो जल्दी देखते हैं कि प्राइसेस अप हो गए किसी चीज की, तो ज्यादा फर्म्स जब आते हैं तो उस प्रोडक्ट की सप्लाई बढ़ जाती है और प्राइस फिर से जल्दी अपने मतलब पॉइंट पे आता है.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So this is second feature, free entry and exit of no restriction upon the firms. In monopoly market, the firms cannot enter the market.
Yes, sir.
Cannot enter the market, and only one firm becomes king of the market.
Yes, sir.
Number third is free movement of factors of production. Movement of factors of
Factors of production.
production. The factors of production can move easily, quickly, freely in the market. They can enter the market, they can leave the market. If any laborer wishes to work in the market, he or she can. Land can enter, landlord can enter, give their land to the rent. Capitalist can invest freely their
Yes,
capital.
sir.
There is no restriction. There is no restriction.
Restriction.
And fourth and very important feature is homogeneous commodities are bought and sold. Homogeneous
Yes.
commodities are bought and sold. Or bought and
Sold.
Homogeneous commodities means the commodities,
जिनका perfect
the
substitute
commodity
होगा.
which is sold or bought in the market, they are same in all respects.
Yes, sir.
The commodities offered for sale, the commodity offered for sale are same in all respects, with respect to quality, with respect to design, with respect to material, with respect to packing, etc., etc. So everything is same. The commodities are same in all respects, uniform in every respect, homogeneous in every respect. Fifth one, there is perfect knowledge.
Yes, sir. Of market.
Perfect knowledge among
Market condition.
buyers and sellers. Among buyers and sellers
Seller.
about market condition.
Market.
Conditions. About market condition. So there is perfect knowledge among the buyers and sellers who are buying and selling in the market, have perfect knowledge, have full awareness about the market conditions, about price, about product, about demand, about supply, rent, wages, interest, etc., etc. Everything they know about the market. These are some features
Main
of
features
of perfect market.
Competition.
Perfect market or competition. Perfect competition. So these features make the market perfect. Makes the market perfect. Makes the market perfect. Large number of buyers and sellers, free entry and exit of firms, free movement of factors of production, homogeneous commodities are bought and sold. और एक हम ऐड कर सकते हैं the cross elasticity of demand. Cross elasticity of demand in this market is क्या है?
Unitary.
Value of cross elasticity of demand क्या है? What is the value of cross elasticity of demand in this market? Kabar? It is infinity or very high. The cross elasticity of demand is infinity or very high in this market. मुझे लग रहा है कि आपको समझ नहीं आया है क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड. पूरा आपको समझ नहीं आया है. क्रॉस इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ डिमांड में दिखाता है when the what is the percentage change in quantity demand of a good due to percentage change in the price of its substitutes. Price of its related goods. It is substitutes. एक कमोडिटी के डिमांड पे कितना असर पड़ता है अगर उसके सब्स्टिट्यूट के प्राइस में चेंज आए. Here the substitutes are available in infinite quantity, infinity, because commodities are homogeneous. So here cross loss of demand is infinity.
Infinity.
Cross loss of demand is infinity.
Infinity.
Infinity. This is another feature of this model. Okay. समझ आ गया
Yes,
ये?
sir.
हैं?
Yes, sir.
अब मैं दूसरा उठाऊंगा.